Jonathan, hey! Did your first big boy bath? What are you doing? Splash, splash. Come here, let me see the camera. Especially where you can see the camera. There you go. Are you? Uh-oh. It's okay. You're okay. And mommy is slippery. Get your little footing the way you had it. Get your, All right, hold on. You're sliding now. You were doing so good. Get your feet the way you had them. No, you can't hold the camera. No. Splash. Splash. Yeah. Woo! Isn't that fun? Oh! He's a splashing monster. Don't get too excited. You're not holding yourself up now. Uh-oh. Fix your foot. Yeah. Are you having fun? Can't get too close. You're making such a splash. Woo! Splash. Hey. Splash. Splash. Woo. Get some of those suds. Look at those suds. Look at those suds. Look at those bubbles. So I don't care about those bubbles. I just want to splash. Careful. Careful. Be careful. You have fun, but you stay balanced like you are. You're doing good. Okay, here's the suds. I want them close to me. Woo! Splash.